Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox game. Client is not responding. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For the first method, you want to find Roblox player, then right-click on it and click Properties. Once you're in Properties, make sure you're on the Shortcut tab. Next to Run, click on the drop-down menu and select Minimized. After that, head over to the Compatibility tab. Here, tick Run this program in compatibility mode. Click the drop-down menu and select Windows 7. Then make sure you also tick Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Once you've done all that, click OK, and this should fix the problem. If that still doesn't work, move on to the second method. Head over to Search and type in Settings and open it. Once you're on this page, go to Apps, then go to Installed Apps. Here, search for Roblox, then go to right side and click on three dots, then select Advanced Options. Here, scroll down and click Terminate. After that, click Reset, then click Reset again to confirm. Wait for Roblox to finish resetting, and once that's done, you should be able to open Roblox again without any issues. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox game client is not responding. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.